Hello dear Taurus, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for September 22nd till the 28th. This is going to cover your love and your career, your exams or money, whatever the cards are going to show to us. Your cards are already out, so let me show you. In your career, you've got the Postulant card and the Completed World. And in your love life, you've got the Five of Stars and the Two of Suns. Now, very interestingly, I can see that you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising, or you could have Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. Now, let me tell you that you are really overthinking about your career right now. It looks like some things in the past were delayed or did not go according to your plan. There were struggles and there were a lot of disappointments, right? But this week is going to bring you a lot of happiness. The completed world. You're going to feel complete again. You're going to feel whole again. Maybe you were jobless for a while. You will get that job. Maybe you could not crack an exam in the first go. You will be able to crack that exam. Maybe your promotion was delayed. You might be able to get that promotion this week. Or if your business was not growing this week, it will get some positive news or profits as well. So the completed world talks about happiness and success, but it also talks about contentment. Contentment in whatever you are doing. Probably you were not very happy with the kind of job that you were doing, the quality of your job. It was not bringing you happiness. Could be bringing you money, but not happiness. But whatever you're doing this week is not just bringing you happiness, but also money and also success as well, right? Very good week when it comes to your career and your exams, whether that's a job or business. In your love life, let's talk about that now. I do see that of late or recently you just started fighting a lot, or you have always been fighting, right? Both of you and your partner. It could be that this is if you're single, this can be your relationships with your friends, with your family, right? With your sibling. This can talk about your near and dear ones as well. I do see that two people have major compatibility issues because of which the fights are happening, right? It's like two very strong people are coming together, and of course, there will be clashes. Now, the fights have increased so much that you have started thinking whether this relationship is right for me or not, or whether I should walk away. You're hurt by this person has treated you badly. Individually, I also see that both of you are very good people, right? But when you come together, something happens. That's because you both are equally strong, equally egoistic, not ready to compromise or resolve the issues mutually. You are like, why should I, say sorry? And your partner will be thinking the same way. Now, the only way to resolve these issues or to keep this relationship going on forever is that if one of you compromise, right? And I agree that it is difficult for one person to compromise all the time. And maybe you have always been the one who has compromised, right? Now you're tired. Now you're thinking that I need to walk away from this. If this person does not change, I need to walk away from this. So a lot of you probably will even walk away. But before you walk away, I would like to tell you, Taurus, that why don't you talk to your partner? Sometimes if they compromise, sometimes if you compromise, then this relationship will work. But if you think that only you compromising is going to change them, change their heart, that's not going to happen. If you think after marriage it's going to change, that's not going to get happen. Not going to happen. If you think after having a baby, maybe they will change, that's also not going to happen, right? So there's nothing that you can change about the situation except compromises, that too from the both sides. Sometimes you do, sometimes they do. Then there's a chance that this relationship will work. Otherwise, this relationship will always be like this. There will be fights and arguments because of major compatibility issues. So I suggest that you talk it out before you decide to walk away. And if you have already done everything that you could, then I also see a lot of you ending this relationship this week. So yes, this was your general reading. If you guys resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, this was a general reading for Taurus Sun Moon Rising. You can book your own personal reading for your own personal situation and specific questions. What you have to do is you can email me at my personal email ID, which is astha.sharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow me and DM me on Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. You can get to know about the prices and make the bookings then and there as well. I do have audio video sessions available, love readings, packages, counseling sessions, and rituals with me. Check out the description box for more details. Take care of yourself. Do not forget to subscribe this challenge. Not channel. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm tired. Too many videos. Right? So take care. Bye bye.